2023 has been a year. Doing things well pays off. The crypto world has changed. Before, it was believed the most important thing for an exchange was the volume traded on it. However, now users demand more, much more. They want more security, more quality attention, easier usability, and above all, more guarantees to trust the platform completely. The 2 points that users value the most have to do with transparency and trust. Know the location of the headquarters. The company, put a face to the team behind it, know what is done with it, the funds or even what measures are in place. They take steps to prevent cyber attacks. That's why, at Bit2Me, your security remains the top priority. We obtained certification 22301, which is related to business continuity. We also got and renewed the 27001, which it's about the company's cybersec. We reached CSA star level of cybersecurity, and we won the Best Team Award from Compliance of Diario Expansion and the Niberi Online Gold Award for Excellence. Also, big firms like Investcorp, Telefónica Ventures exist. Stratmines, Emergo from Cardano trusted us. They invested 14 million euros in the company. As you have seen, our suite continues to thrive and grow, growing with new products such as Bit2Me Card, Bit2Me Tax, and Bit2Me Loan. Bit2Me Pro came out of beta, access app and launch. G4 All and Lineware closed with great success. Cryptocurrency adoption is already real, and we see this in our own numbers. We've exceeded 1M users. We have achieved over 3,000 registered companies. We reached the milestone of 250 coins listed in wallet and more. 100 pairs in Bit2Me Pro. 2023 has been a good year, but 2024 will be even better. It will bring us great news like the ETF, from Bitcoin, the halving event, or even the Mika law, and the future. And at this moment, yes, it is happening now. And here we will be to offer you the best and continue to be the cryptocurrency platform in which you can truly trust.